دین کی ناصرات ہم بہار کائنات
I
ہم.
am left-handed so far, and I find it hard to use my right hand for tasks. Please can beloved Huzoor pray for me and guide me.
You see, if you are left-handed, it doesn't matter. There are quite a number of people who are left-handed. But make it a point that whenever you are eating food, you should try to use right hand. But otherwise, because you are left-handed, you are forced to write with the left hand. You see, when you are eating, you must try to use your right hand for eating. If you try for some time, then Allah Ta'ala will help you, and at least for eating you can use your right hand, right? Otherwise, it doesn't matter. Allah Ta'ala has made you in this way, so you try, you don't have any way to leave this habit. See? ठीक है.